A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are here for the first semi-final, and what is good in this morning is the excitement of the first semi-final between Ghumteshwar Sports Club, Pajifon Marga, the captain Samar Dubashi, and the captain of Nityanand Sports Fonda, Sagar Gosavi. We have two official umpires, umpire Atmara Marulkar and umpire Shushan Salgaonkar, the two officials for these two matches. Today is the day of Friday, and the day of Friday is the day of semi-finals. So let us see what we have in the toss ceremony. So Samar Dubashi is going to spin the coin and Sagar Gosavi is going to give the call. Heads, he says, and heads it is. Sagar, once again you are winning the toss. What is the decision and why?
We are going to bowl first because definitely there's a little moisture on the ground, so even though pitch was covered, still there will be something that has been slipped under the pitch, so definitely it is going to help the bowlers initially.
Surprising decision. Normally whoever won the toss, they have opted to bat first, but bowling first. So what is the figure that you would like to restrict the opponents?
There is not a figure as such in my mind, but we are trying to restrict them as low as possible. That will be easy for us to get the target.
Good balance in the side.
Yeah, we are playing with the same level.
All the best, Sagar. Samar, you have lost the toss, yet you got to bat first.
Yeah, it looks a good wicket, and we would like to set a good target. Something around 150, I think, will be a good target for them.
If you had to win the toss, what would have been your decision?
We would as well as bowl first because I think there will be a slight moisture on the wicket, and we are good fast bowlers.
So both the captains are looking quite confident. The news from here is Sagar Gosavi won the toss, Nityanand Sports, and they have decided to bowl first. Day of semi-finals. Oh, flashy shot, walked it well, but straight to the fielder. Fielder got skidded, but he's in control of the ball. Good hit, but finds the field in the deep point region. Two fielders outside 30-yard circle. So that single brings an end to the first over. Here, lush green grass, perfect setting for the game of cricket to be played. A beautiful tournament organized by Prudent Media in association with Geno Pharmaceuticals, the title sponsor. Nicely played in the offside, but finds the field in the deep point region protection. This will be another single adding up to the total. And the lineup continues. Rohit Naik, Dheeraj Yadav, very promising, picked up 3 wickets in the quarterfinal. And gets hold of this one, and the ball just falling short of the field. He almost held it. Picked up beautifully, but only to find a fielder. Instead, what they're doing is trying to just play for singles and get used to the ball, and then they can just play their strokes. Swing of the bat, beats the short fielder. This time the ball races away, but once again finds the field. The captain this time quickly coming in. Good pickup and release of the ball. Very quick. Once again, outstanding fielding. Gets hold of this one, but finds the fielder. Push Desai got the safest pair of hand, and he doesn't drop many. That's the breakdown for Ghumteshwar Marga losing their first wicket. 14 for 1, and Achit Sigwan, the very first delivery. Oh, lofted shot, the ball falling safe. Could be a couple of runs here for Vaishnav Pendigain. Good running between the wickets. Oh, picked up beautifully. The ball is up in there. It will be falling away. Could it go for the boundary? No, well done by the fielder. Pulled it back. Good teamwork. But won't stop 2 runs. Yes, is a call. Good call from Vaishnav. Slight, little late approach there from fielder Teik Bahadur. Quickly, yes, is a call. Gets hold of this one, and that ball's gone rocketing away. Beautifully picked up. Oh, this time finds the fielder. The ball playing area is always dangerous. Didn't quite get hold of that one. Achit Sigwan strikes once again, takes the second wicket. 30 for 2. S. Saravanan joins in after the 2-wicket fall, and 2 wickets provided by Achit Sigwan. Every over that is bowling, picking up a wicket. Wicket taking bowler. Just a nudge and gets off the mark. S. Saravanan, and he's another good batsman. He got that potential to stay in store for a long time. A single to take the score up to 31 after the completion of 7 for 2. Angle it beautifully, but only to find a fact. It could be a mix-up, and very good throw. No, says Vaishnav, and S. Saravanan wanted one. A disaster. He is stranded right in the middle of which way to run. Swing of the bat, didn't quite time the ball, but still got just lucky. Could be a couple of runs here, or maybe the ball just will run down to the fence. Good looking boundary coming up here for Ghumteshwar Sports Club from Vaishnav Pednekar. Just freeing his arms and playing. Oh, this time he finds the fielder. A thick edge, and he takes it. Once again, a wicket is falling down, and this time Tushar Sawant strikes. 40 for 4. Once again, a very good morning to my listeners. This is Friday, and the Friday is a day of semi-finals. The first semi-final to be played between Ghumteshwar Sports Club Pajifar Margaon versus Nityanand Sports of Fonda. Angle it beautifully. Yes is the call. Quick. Oh, look at the beauty. This time, what a placement from Pritesh Naik. The ball will do the running, not the batsman. He gets the boundary. And this boundary will give the confidence to Pritesh Naik to play a few of those. Coming down the track, and what a beauty this is. Oh, he almost held on to that, but the ball just popping out. It's a 6, the first 6 of the day, of the first semi-final. The captain executing that in style. That's again huge, high and handsome. Well done, the ball is running backward of the wicketkeeper and will get to the boundary, and yes, the ball will win the race. In the leg side, little bit of deflection. We'll wait for the umpire signaling. The ball is racing. A good footwork from Tushar Sawant. In the meantime, Sarvesh Prabhu. Good looking shot, nice and straight down the ground, right out from the middle of the bat. That's gone many miles in the air. Samar Dubashi now trying to just open up and play. Freeing his arm and playing. What a shot, clean like a whistle from Pritesh Naik. Oh boy, you beauty, you definitely doing the duty. Oh, breaking the shackle and playing straight, missing the line completely. Captains take the wicket of the captain. Sagar Gosavi strikes 95 for 5. Well disappointed captain Samar Dubashi returns back. Harish Naik joins in at number 7. Coming down the track and good hit, nice and straight down the ground in between long off and long on. A beautiful boundary coming from the bat of Pritesh Naik. Bang she goes. And this boundary brings an end to the 16th over. Bowling mark पर अच्छा खेल दिया इस बार. बल्ले के बीच बीच से निकलती हुई गेंद 4 रनों के लिए हरीश नाइक के बल्ले से. बेहतरीन शॉट. कदमों का इस्तेमाल और उछाल के खेलते हुए लगे फील्डर को पाया और कैच ड्रॉप. वो कदमों का इस्तेमाल करके खेलना चाहते थे मगर सीधी गेंद. सागर गोसावी कप्तान फिर से एक बार नहीं चूके. संकेत मोरस्कर, न्यू बैट्समैन वॉकिंग इन. 1-1-1 for 6 wickets down. Pritesh Naik wanted to just come down the wicket and play once again. The ball keeping straighter and low. Lofted shot. He finds the fielder and the catch has been brilliant except that one. Harish Naik wanted to play but finds the fielder in long on. Well bowled, appeal, but umpire says no doubt, says over. What an excellent over comes to an end. 18 overs gone by. Good looking shot. Look at that. Nicely picked up. Beautifully done. One bounce to fence. He's going now. Cautioning the wind. Sanket Moravka strikes. What a fantastic boundary to see. Going scoop and done. Excellent. What an innovative shot from this little master. The little pocket dynamite. Amulya Pandrekar. Oh, this time the ball is just missing everything. The batsman that stumped the wicketkeeper and races away backward of the wicketkeeper. By and boundary signaled. Oh, wanted to just go across and shuffled, clean bowled. 8th wicket goes down on 131 in the 20th over. That will be just another single. 133. So 134 is the target to achieve. Leg by signal coming out from the umpire. 134 is the target to achieve.
Angles, a complete sports shop. We have variety of sports material for all kind of sports and games. We also have trophies and sportswear. Visit us at Panji, Manik Mansion, Kunna Rivera Road. Call us on 0832 222 3119. Angles since 1950.
उत्तम दर्जेदार किफायती अशो कस्टमाइज स्पोर्ट्स जर्सी ट्रॅक सूट टी शर्ट्स स्पोर्ट्स शॉर्ट्स डिजिटल प्रिंट करून मेळपाचें एकमेव ठिकाण म्हळ्यार आकाश गारमेंट्स.
AG means comfort.
AG means comfort.
तुमच्या घरचे खंयचेय सण आसूं वा खंयचेय सेलिब्रेशन सदांच याद दवरात राधात्मा फर्निचर. दिवाळे निमतान तरेतरेचे नवे फर्निचर उपलब्ध. आकर्षक डिस्काउंट. कांय थारावीक फर्निचराचेर अजाप करपी दर. खास आकर्षण 2 वर्सांचे वॉरंटी सहित सोफा सेट फक्त 19,500 रुपयांक. आयजूच येयात. राधात्मा फर्निचर, वृंदावन हॉस्पिटला कडेन, पेडे, म्हापशां.
20 वर्षाच्या पारंपरिक यशस्वी वाटचालीवेल्यान आता आम्ही तुमच्या आशीर्वादान नव्या आधुनिक जगात प्रवेश करता. नवी सपना, नवी उमेद, नवी उर्बा आणि ताका साथ भांगरा हिऱ्यांची. जिवितातलो प्रत्येक उत्सव भांगरा हिऱ्यांनी सजून उमेदीन मनयात. फोंडा शहरात भांगरा जगतातले एक विश्वासाचे नाव रायकर ज्वेलर्साचे अवधूत रायकार तुमच्या सेवेक घेऊन येता एक भव्य दिव्य असो शोरूम अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड. आता तुमका नवे डिझाईन्स आणि क्वालिटी खातीर दुसऱ्या शहरात वचपाची गरज ना. अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड, शांताश्री बिल्डिंग, अपोजिट स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया, सदर पोंडा, गोवा. तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार.
Oh, the very first ball, there was an opportunity. Yeah, wicket-keeper dive, but the ball just brushing the gloves and going away. Oh, picked up this time beautifully, but there is a fielder. Will he take that catch? He has taken. That's the end of Amar. He wanted to play, but finds the fielder. That's the first breakthrough provided by. Look at the beauty, absolutely beauty, nailed it. With sledgehammer. Once again a pitch delivery, no call, and that'll be a free hit. Swing and a miss, good ball, beaten on the pace with excellent line, it's little bit of movement, well done. Once again picking it up, and there is a fielder, Sumiran is lucky. Appeal, confident appeal, the finger goes up this time. Pushpashir cannot believe, but he has to walk as Amulya Pandekar strikes. Coming down the track and what a lofted shot this is. Magnificent, Messi, Mahmood, marvelous, Miles. Bang, she says. Oh, TK, the ball running down for a boundary at least. This is good work from Achit. If not 6, at least a boundary can serve Nityanand Sports. Oh, nicely worked, timing brilliant, and the placement decent from Sumiran Amonkar. Oh, beautiful. Just a stand and delivered from Achit Sigwan. The ball gone aerial. Look at that scoop, beauty, sheer timing and the placement. Elegant from Sumiran Amurkan. That's the reason why I call him the quality batsman. Oh, this time played straight to the fielder. Pritesh Naik has taken a simple looking catch. Ghumteshwar Sports Club of Pajifun Margam versus Nityanand Sports. You are listening to Nadeem Ahmed, and I express my gratitude, a big thanks to the sponsors, special thanks to Goa Cricket Association for being associate partner, title sponsor Geno Pharmaceuticals, Anand Bush Construction for co-sponsor, and supported by Honorable Deputy Speaker of Goa, Bob Michael Lobo. And the list of the donors will continue. Deccan Fine Chemicals Associate Ozone Group, Riker Jewelers for being associated with Prudent Media. And this is absolutely a festival of cricket on this beautiful ground of GCA Academy ground. And GCA is doing a lot to promote the youngsters come up and showcase themselves. Cheeky single. Oh, beautifully flicked the ball, going this time running down deep, fine, no fielder there, so that will run down to a boundary of the delivery. Look at the spin, beauty, well worked, beats the short field against the boundary. Even Anna cannot stop that, but Anna Chitti could have. Shot of length and pulled, but only to find a fielder. He fumbles the ball, races away to the boundary. Filling his arms and playing in the big gap, a cracking beauty, blasting his way through the offside. Sumiran Amonkar once again gets in action. Beautifully picked up, one bounce to fence. So score is tie. Congratulations, that's a comprehensive win for Nityanand Sports. They are through to the finals. Well played, Nityanand Sports. Congratulations. And tough luck, Ghumteshwar Sports Club, Pajifon Margaon. So that's all what we have from the commentary box. This is Nadeem Ahmed signing off. But don't go away as we have the post-match presentation done by Neeraj Prabhu. Let us see who is the man of the hero. Hands down victory from Nityanand Sports entering into the finals.
Anglays, a complete sports shop. We have variety of sports material for all kind of sports and games. We also have trophies and sportswear. Visit us at Panji, Manik Mansion, Kunna Ribera Road. Call us on 0832 222 3119. Anglays since 1950.
उत्तम दर्जेदार किफायती अशो कस्टमाइज स्पोर्ट्स जर्सी ट्रॅक सूट टी शर्ट स्पोर्ट्स शॉर्ट्स डिजिटल प्रिंट करून मेळपाचें एकमेव ठिकाण म्हळ्यार आकाश गारमेंट्स.
AG means comfort.
AG means comfort.
तुमचे घरचे खंयचेय सण आसूं वा खंयचेय सेलिब्रेशन सदांच याद दवरात राधात्मा फर्निचर. दिवाळे निमतान तरेतरेचे नवे फर्निचर उपलब्ध. आकर्षक डिस्काउंट कांय थारावीक फर्निचराचेर अजाप करपी दर. खास आकर्षण 2 वर्सांचे वॉरंटी सयत सोफा सेट फक्त 19,500 रुपयांत. आयजूच येयात राधात्मा फर्निचर, वृंदावन हॉस्पिटला कडेन, पेडे, म्हापशां.
20 वर्षाच्या पारंपरिक यशस्वी वाटचाली वेल्यान आता आम्ही तुमच्या आशीर्वादान नव्या आधुनिक जगात प्रवेश करता. नवी सपना, नवी उमेद, नवी उर्बा आणि ताका साथ भांगरा हिऱ्यांची. जिवितातलो प्रत्येक उत्सव भांगरा हिऱ्यांनी सजून उमेदीन मनयात. फोंडा शहरात भांगरा जगतातले एक विश्वासाचे नाव रायकर ज्वेलर्साचे अवधूत रायकार तुमच्या सेवेक घेऊन येता एक भव्य दिव्य असो शोरूम अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड. आता तुमका नवे डिझाईन्स आणि क्वालिटी खातीर दुसऱ्या शहरात वचपाची गरज ना. अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड, शांताश्री बिल्डिंग, अपोजिट स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया, सदर पोंडा, गोवा. तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार.
Good afternoon and welcome back to the GCA Academy ground at Porvorim. So Nityanand Sports Club have become the first team to enter the finals of the inaugural Geno Prudent T20 Cup. They scored a 7-wicket victory over Ghumteshwar of Madgaon. Let me first welcome to the presentation area the proprietor of Radhatma Traders from Mapsa, Mr. Paresh Raikar. Welcome to you, sir. It's now time to call on the stage the losing captain of the day, Samar Dubashi of Ghumteshwar. Samar, tough luck today. What went wrong for your team?
First of all, I would like to congratulate Nityanand. I think 2 drop catches costed us the game, and Sumiran batted very well.
Yeah, and not enough runs on the board for you all as well?
Yeah, we got a slow start, but still we somehow managed to score around 136, and again the two catches costed us the match.
Right, fielding becomes very crucial in low-scoring matches. Never mind, Samar, well played and good luck to you all in future, especially to you with Goa limited overs cricket coming up soon. Hope to see you perform well for Goa.
Thank you.
Now it's time for the winning captain, Sagar Gosavi, to come up and air your thoughts on the performance of your team. Congratulations as well on becoming the first team to enter the finals.
Yeah, it's nice feeling that you are going to play the finals. That too, seeing the team performing and improving day by day. So quite happy with the performance.
Well played, Sagar and the boys. Now let us announce the man of the match of the day, and no prizes for guessing. It's Sumiran Namunkar with his unbeaten 83-run knock. He is yet to be dismissed in the last 2 innings in this tournament. The Ranji Trophy opener for Goa, Sumiran, playing another good important inning for his team. Sumiran, well played, went on to profit on those 2 opportunities.
Yeah, it was a good wicket to bat, and we didn't get a good start, but the opportunities I got really favored my team. And it's been a good season. We would like to win this tournament.
Yes, now just one step away from doing that. Hopefully more improvement needed in the team now.
Yeah, especially in the fielding department, we would like to improve. And even batting has been clicking for us. Even bowling in some good areas, especially in the death overs, would really credit our team.
Right. Thank you, Sumiran, and keep up the good work in the finals.